We have always been thinking about how to coexist with our ecosystem, with a heart to protect the Earth in a resource-limited environment. Therefore, with a well-managed and sustainable supply chain, we purchase logs from trees of high carbon fixation to provide new ground for seeds and saplings to grow strong. We are K-Ding Enterprises, established in 2002, committed to providing quality products. With the core principles of application of new technology, continuous innovation, expertise, and steady growth. To improve production efficiency, we set up Chiayi Production Headquarters in 2017 to obtain a vertical integrated operational system with advanced wood processing technology and become a leading brand of pre-finished wood veneer panels in the global market. With the aim to stand out in the monotonous wood industry, we continue to make breakthroughs and innovations to earn the support and trust from our clients worldwide. As time passes by, we are now proficient in wood product manufacturing technology. From the launch and evolution of pre-finished wood veneer panels to hand-scraped wood flooring, K-Ding Enterprises aims to provide customers with a diverse range of products. To embrace the challenges each day brings and reach new heights, we believe that we can only move forward through continuous innovation. Along the way, we have actively obtained international certifications and awards to endow customers with a better living environment. Amid rapid global market change, our outstanding marketing and sales team manages to keep up with the market, making new strategies to achieve new milestones and maintain steady growth and profitability. With our automated process equipment, we're able to execute laser cutting and joining precisely and manufacture wood veneer in various sizes according to customers' requests. With efficient veneer laminating machinery and a hot and cold pressing system, we are able to produce wood veneer of great stability. With our leading manufacturing potential in the industry, we never stop developing new technologies and improving our production line. In order to improve our production efficiency, we've introduced an automated wire brush system. Our products undergo strict quality control procedures at every stage of the manufacturing process without leaving out any details. K-Ding Enterprises never stops pursuing perfection. We've developed proprietary technology to coat the open pore surfaces thoroughly and evenly. Together with a fully automated coating system and an automated packaging line, we are able to protect the products during delivery and provide consistent quality to the customer. Before delivery, each order can be tracked and controlled via our inventory date management. To provide customers the best logistics service, we have several logistics centers around the globe. With the aim to expand business globally, we have gained trust and support from customers around the world due to our reliable products and manufacturing capacity. In addition, each member undergoes professional education and training on a regular basis to develop and improve their professional skills. We make our employees' physical and mental well-being a priority. In K-Ding Enterprises, we are a big family. We celebrate our achievements and grow together, and have become the most reliable partner to our customers. We provide a wide range of services to exceed our clients' expectations, with the aim to achieve a brighter future. K-Ding Enterprises aims to spread the love to every corner in the world. Therefore, we involve ourselves in various charity programs, including gathering 2.4% of total profits every year to give back to society and fulfill our own social responsibility. With our success in Taiwan, we put our eyes on the world and commit ourselves to provide a better living environment for our clients around the globe. True craftsmanship from the heart. K-Ding Enterprises Company Limited.